Have you ever wanted to get your hands on something that feels like a classified file, a meticulously built dossier packed with timelines, transcripts, and cross-linked evidence? Well, that's exactly what the Elston Dossier delivers. And before we dive deep into this powerful investigative ebook, let me remind you, if you're already curious, you can order your copy right now through the links in the description and the first pinned comment below. Introduction. Today, we're taking a closer look at the Elston Dossier. This isn't your typical ebook. It's been crafted to feel like an inside look into a global network, with 90-plus pages of narrative, exhibits, annotations, and meticulously organized data. It's designed for those who want more than just information. They want clarity, precision, and that cinematic reading experience. Features and benefits. What makes the Elston Dossier stand out is its structure. It comes in a print-optimized A4 PDF format, perfect whether you're reading on a desktop or tablet. Every page has been laid out for smooth readability, with clean tables, footnotes, and even classified or redacted style callouts that make the experience engaging. It's not just content thrown together, it's a professional investigative package, complete with evidence tables, transcripts, and timelines that make even complex material easy to follow. Reviewers call it the best designed dossier they've ever read, and honestly, I can see why. And just so you don't miss out, remember, you can grab the Elston Dossier today for only $99 instead of $159, with instant download and lifetime updates. All you have to do is check the links in the description or the first pinned comment to secure your copy. Additional details. Now, let's talk about what you actually get. The download is about 15 megabytes in size, giving you immediate access to over 90 pages of investigative content. Updates are free for life, meaning every time new information or refinements are added, you'll get the latest version without paying extra. Payments are securely processed through ClickBank, so you don't have to worry about security, and once you purchase, it's yours forever. Final thoughts. To sum it up, the Elston Dossier is more than just reading material. It's an experience, a carefully curated, evidence-backed investigative file designed for serious readers, researchers, and anyone fascinated by structured, detailed storytelling. If you value clarity and want access to something that feels straight out of an intelligence archive, this is it. So, if you're ready to dive into the Elston Dossier, don't wait, click the link in the description or the first pinned comment right now to order your copy. With instant download, free lifetime updates, and a design built for clarity, this is an ebook you don't want to